Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Google Pay and signing into the account that holds your payment profile. Once done, determine whether the displayed name is pulled from your Google account or from a linked bank or card issuer, because the change pathway differs. Make sure you have a clear photo or PDF of a government ID and any address proof that may be required. Now tap your profile icon and proceed to Settings so you can access Payment Profile and Identity Verification options. You then decide the exact route. Edit your Google account name if Google is the source, because that propagates to Google Pay. Change it in Accounts. Google.com, then return to the app. If a bank or card is authoritative, call or use their app to request a name update on the card or account. In Google Pay's Payments Profile section, choose Personal Info, edit the name field, attach your ID images, and submit. This starts verification, which typically takes a few days. Once you submit, watch for a confirmation email or notification in Google Pay indicating approval. Make sure linked cards and recurring payments show the new name. If the change appears in Google account but not in a bank-controlled card, follow up with the bank. If verification is denied, don't panic. Review the rejection reason, rescan documents with better lighting, and contact Google Pay support with the submission reference so they can reprocess it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.